Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this at-home laser hair removal kit for you guys. This was sent to me by a company on Amazon by the name of LYD. I don't know how to say the overall name, but that's just the initials that they have on their item. So the packaging was really nice. As you can see, they packaged it really well. So when you first open it, what you have is a little instruction book that's going to tell you how to work the machine and all the different things that it does. I'm so happy that they sent this because I've never used a at home or even laser hair removal at all. So, it comes with this little port where you plug it into the machine and you will be able to use it. This is the main, I guess you would say the main product. This is what is going to actually remove the hair from your body. And this is where the light is going to come out at. That's going to help you remove those unwanted hairs. So, alright, so I'm going to slow it down so I can explain the three buttons here. You have a power button, you have a ice mode switch, and then at the top you have a continuous flash button. These are the buttons that are on this device. Now, I noticed that this is made very nice and classy. Like, it's super light, and look at the design on it. I just really love how it looks. It's really cute. All right, so these lights right here are the IPL hair removal lights. Like I said before, these are the lights that's going to help remove those hairs and prevent them from coming back. All right, so on the side of it, you'll notice that the company's name logo is on the side of it, which is really neat. All right, so the next item that came in the kit are protective glasses. Now, you are going to want to wear these glasses anytime you are using this machine. These glasses are going to protect your eyes from getting damaged. I really like that they include the glasses in the kit and you don't have to buy the glasses separately. These glasses are very durable and light. It's like they're made out of like a hard piece of plastic. Another thing that they sent was a shaving razor. Now this razor has 3 blades on it, so it's pretty good and sharp. And what you're gonna have to do is shave the area that you are going to be using the machine on. You're gonna have to shave that first, and then you'll be able to use it. All right, now to get it set up and ready to use, you're just going to use the adapter cord, and it has a little, I guess you would call it a little piece that goes into the actual laser removal machine, and then you will plug that into the wall. Okay, so while I give you guys a closer look at this, I'm just going to go over some things about it. So this machine has 5 stages, and of course, the higher the stage, the higher the machine is going to work for you. So what I recommend is to start on the lower setting, which is going to be 1, and then work your way up. So it has a input voltage of 12V, electric current of 3A. The rated power is 24 watts. Alright, so this is kind of how you use it. You want to shave whichever area that you're going to be using it on first. Plug it in and then throw on your glasses. Once you got on your glasses, you're going to set whatever stage you want. And then you're going to hold it at a 90-degree angle. And then press the button and it's going to, the light on it is going to flash. So before you actually use it on like your whole leg, you want to make sure that you do a pre-use skin test just to see how your skin reacts to it. You're just going to test the machine out on your skin and then wait 2 hours to see how it reacts. And if everything is good, you can go ahead and use it on the rest of the area that you're going to be using the product on. So I am going to be actually doing another tutorial or another video on how I actually use this. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys and just give you a little background information on what it is and how it works. Now, I will give you guys more information about it a little later once I actually use it. I'm going to go ahead and do like a test on my leg just to make sure everything is going to work out good. All right, and so I was reading in the little book and I saw where it says that it has 8 weeks to change and purify the skin. According to the hair growth situation, it can be used for 8 weeks. So between well, the first 3 weeks you're going to be using it 2 to 3 times a week, and then as time go on, you're going to use it less and less, and you're going to notice less hair growing back, which is great. And you know what? I've really been thinking about doing laser hair removal. So the fact that I don't have to go out and pay for it, I can just always have my at-home laser hair removal kit, girl. I'm on game, and I can't wait to use it. So like I said, I will be back on here to show you guys how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and list the link below so that you guys can click on it and go ahead and do a little research on it yourself. Never know, you might like it. Alright, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.